Hello friends, I am Deep Chandra and now you are watching Only for Design. So today I show you how to convert HTML to WordPress. This is the very easy way to learn how to convert HTML to WordPress. So please don't skip the video, and if you like this video to please like, comment and please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so when I upload the video you can get the notification. So let's start. So this is the theme, this is the HTML theme. You can see full HTML theme, the about page, this is service page, this is service details page, projects page, this is the gallery. Okay, this is pop-up gallery, this is blog, this is recent blog and blog details page. You can see this is a blog details page and contact page. So in this series I show you how to convert a full HTML website in WordPress. So I make a series for 3 or 4 videos. Okay, so first today I have a HTML. You can see this is yeah, this is the HTML file. You can see this is the HTML file. So first what I do, I convert HTML to PHP. This is the all our HTML file, so I need HTML to PHP. Okay, before starting I say I have a code file. So I already share this one in my many videos, or also I uploaded this file in this video. So please download this file. This is the very important file. This is the you can see here I need some codes, functions. I need some function or codes for developing. So I written here all codes. You can see this is the all codes where I use in WordPress. Okay, so I share with you. Please download this file also. So first this is the home index page. So first I cut the header. So you can see this is the header. I select Ctrl X and Ctrl V and save. Okay, this is called header in.php. This is a very easy way. I show you. This is a very easy way. If you search in YouTube how to convert HTML to WordPress in Hindi, or how to convert PHP to HTML in Hindi, so you can see my first video or my video. So everyone love my video, so please give me keep supporting me, like, comment and please share, and please don't forget to subscribe. So this is the header, save, and now I create a footer file. So go to footer, this is footer section, cut new, yes, save for footer.php. okay, this is footer.php is done, header and footer done. Then I save it for as a home.php. I created template for home template, so I need this code. You can see here add header, this one for add header. So I put in header and I need a for footer, this one for footer, and save as home.php. okay, so I save as home.php, but I need to change here also. You can see this is the template name home, display only home template. So I created template for home page. Then I need to change this name also. So what is the my project name? So I go to header, you can see rectify. So I change this one for rectify. Okay, so this is also I use for database, so that's why I create this one. Then I need to in about page also, so I copy header from home page and about, this is the about, paste, change the name home and about, and create and add footer, footer and save as for about.php, about us.php. So this way I convert all pages. Okay, so this way I convert all pages. So this is the about page also complete. Then blog details page I don't need it now. Now I blog HTML. So this is the blog HTML page. I change the name blog and add footer. Footer and then footer.blog.php. Okay, the blog page is done. Then contact page. So this is the contact page. This is the contact. Change this one, contact and footer, this one the footer. Okay, save as contact.php. So contact page also done. So I need the only last one, project and service page, project and service. So this is the project page, sorry, this is the project, change projects and add footer. And save as project.php. Okay, then service.html. So I need service page also, like header, then change services and add footer. .php. Okay, service.php is complete. Now I need this block details and service details page to make .php. Okay, so I create a different way. This one for this code. This is the single post type code. Okay, this is the code. Or I can use the this one also for single service page. Don't worry. So this is the block details page. Block details and add footer. add footer. This is the footer, and now save.php. But here I have to change this name and change this name single hyphen then post.php, because I use blog as a post, so that's why it's a single. When I use any detailed phase, so any detailed phase, its name would be single, like single detail space, and this is the service page, so I use same way. This is a service single service dot php. Okay, same way block details, and this is the service details, and add footer, and save single hyphen service dot php. Okay, so this is the trick. So now I complete all HTML convert to PHP. So I delete the all HTML files. You can see all HTML file. Now delete. This is the file. So I first I go to see. I need to open Jam. So this is the Jam control panel. This is the offline server. Then you can start fast to Apache and MySQL start. I have already started. Then this is the Jam folder. You can see. Then htdocs. Then here I have a WordPress 5.3 5.5.3. This is the version. So I extract here. You can see it already extract here. So I close. I delete it. Sorry, I delete this one. And I extract here. Okay. Now what I do, I change this name to plugin. This one, rectify. Where is the header? Rectify. Change this name to this one. Okay. What happened? Rectify. Then I create a folder same name in content themes, then create a folder as the same name. Then I copy the all files. I copy all files from plugins, plumbing, copy all files and paste here in rectify in C drive. Okay, and Jam. So you can see in C drive, Jam, htdocs, rectify, wp content, theme and rectify, then rectify. So this is the my file. So I open this file on my a text editor and remove this one. Okay, so now what I do, I need to create a database. So go to localhost, then phpMyAdmin. Localhost, then phpMyAdmin. Then create a I have some problem in my mouse. So create a database for this name rectify. So create a database, then database name and create. So this is create, and go to localhost, then rectify, and now you need to install the WordPress. So this is the English United States. Okay, then let's go. So here you can see database name. So I have database name rectify. Now username, I don't have any username, so I use root, root, and password is blank. I don't have any password. So then submit, then run the installation. This is the very easy way. You can see this is the very easy way. So site title, just I give it to rectify, username rectify, password I change to rectify @123. I know this is the very weak password, so I confirm this weak password, because this is the I show you the I show you this one, the this is dummy. That's why I change the later. I change this later. That's why I confirm this one. You otherwise you can change this one. You can see use this password strong. I don't know. I don't need an I need one easy for remember. Okay, this one, and this is my email ID here. Okay, this is my email ID, and install WordPress. Install and save. Then login. Then you can say password is my already saved. And login. You can say WP admin. This is the WP admin dashboard. Now if I visit site, you can see this is the default website theme, WordPress default theme. Okay, so I need to active my theme. You can then go to themes. Okay, you can see here have no your themes. So what I do, I need some files. So where I get these files, so I go to back my back files, like this one. I need some files. So this one 2 3 4 5 6 7. This 7 file I need. That this file also I uploaded the Google Drive and share the link. Please check this one also. Okay, this is the file, and go to the themes, then rectify, then paste. Now you can change the names. You can see the screenshot. I need the screenshot. So this is the site. I need the screenshot. I take a screenshot and go to paint. Paint and paste, and save as the screenshot. So go to C drive, XAMPP, STDocs, rectify, content, themes, rectify, and screenshot. This one the screenshot. Okay, so now screenshot is complete, and change some name. So database name, this is the rectify. Change the name first, change the function name. You can see this is it, Elite Digital. So I select alt and Control V, change, and home page also change, or not, it's not a home page, sorry, this is the index page. So then option.php, select and paste. Then this is the most important style.css. This is the most important file. So now it's complete. If I refresh here, you can see I have a extra theme here. You can see rectify. I have a theme, but before time you can see just only 3 themes. Now after add these files, you can see the added new theme. This is the my theme. So I active this theme. Okay, active this theme, and now if I refresh here, you can see some errors also, because I need to change something more. You can see this is my file. So this is my theme. So what I need to change, because I installed a WordPress everything, but I need to add images. I need to add link to images or CSS.js. So I didn't add any image and any CS and JS. So that's why it's showing just only HTML. So just I add the HTML, and so I add this link. This is a link for add any link or images. Okay, so first I add from about, so add from home page. You can see here I have some images. So I select this assets folder, Ctrl D and paste. So all images are selected and linked. Now you can see if I refresh here, you can see here you can see now images all are visible. You can see this is the image, or all are visible, and I need to add the CSS and JS. So go to header, this is the header, and select asset, select save, and go to footer. Where is my footer? This is the footer. Also here a logo, and this is the JS, all JS. So sorry, okay, now home page is done. You can see, okay, this is my actual website. So this is my, you can see this is the actual website, but here I miss the logo, so I need the this link also here. So I show you how to install a or install or configure whatever you want to say. So HTML into WordPress. You can see now this is the full WordPress website, and you can see this is the HTML website. This is two are same. Okay, this is two are same. This is the, now I configure the HTML in WordPress. So I need to develop the portions or sections, everything I need to development, but structure are my setup are fixed. My WordPress setup is complete. So if I click about us page, so it's not blank, because here you can see my menu is not dynamic. So this video is take long time. So after next video I show you how to create menu, this menu dynamic, create a dynamic menu, how to create a menu dynamic, and this is slider dynamic, how to create a slider dynamic, this two portion, and this also how to show you this portion. Okay, these three portion how to make a dynamic. So I show you after next video. So please follow my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share my video. Please subscribe my channel. So in this video I show you completely in Scratch how to convert HTML to WordPress, or how to set up a HTML file in WordPress file. This is the very easy way and very helpful for everyone. If you want to learn WordPress, so it's not necessary that you need to know PHP or HTML or everything. So I show you how to convert HTML to WordPress. So please keep supporting me and subscribe my channel. Let's see next video. Thank you so much.